Welcome to Golden City School, a sure foundation for future leaders. We resume this term with gratitude to God, joy and happiness, because our long-awaited dream of raising a 12-room school block has just been achieved. We want to say a million thanks to Mr. John Hammond and all our friends that have supported us in one way or the other to see that this building was completed. May God richly bless all of you in the name of Jesus. Learning activities are going on very well in the school. Children are happy because their classrooms are ready and completed, well painted and looking beautiful. Is it not beautiful? We want to say thank you, Mr. Hammond. Thank you all our friends in the UK for your support and your love and your kindness.
People they wonder, now waiting they make me define like this. They're asking me, waiting they make me to shine like this. They wanna know, waiting they make me to smile like this. People they wonder, waiting they make me to dance like this.
Our library scheme is going on well because our library has been furnished with a lot of storybooks and books in different subject matter. John Hammond Children Library in Golden City School. Even children from outside, children from this church, they borrow books which they read, summarize and return every weekend. Thank you, because we can see the improvement in their spoken English and reading culture. Hence in Nigeria these days, children prefer watching movies and cartoons than reading. But here in Golden City School, we are proud because our children can read, they can speak well.
Hi, my name is Monica Bencher. I am 10 years old. I am in year soon. I started using the school library when I was in grade 4, and it really helped me in my words and my vocabulary. I came here to say a big thank you to John Hammond's Library.
Hi, my name is Chisom Amefula. I attend Golden City School. I'm 11 years old. The first time I came to this school, I was very excited. I want to see how the library was. When I started using the library, second term of GS1, I started knowing things. I improved in my oral English and some of my workings, and I started knowing about the world and space. I want to say thank you to John Hammond.
Hi, my name is Favor Abel. I attend Golden City School. I am 12 years old. The first time I came to Golden City School, I was very excited about the library because there were plenty books and the books I've never read before. The type of novel I enjoyed most was the fairy tale because there were plenty storybooks, there were plenty novels, there were plenty things inside that I learned, and I learned to keep books very well. And I want to say thank you, big thank you to John Hammond.
They wonder, now waiting they make me define like this. They're asking me, waiting they make me to shine like this.
Even our ICT sector. Last year, Dr. Luke gave us a lot of computers which we use to furnish our computer room, and children are really doing well in their drawing, in their typing, in their artistics, in the computer room. Thanks a million times. We are believing and trusting God that this muddy floor outside here will soon be interlocked by the grace of God, and this place will really look indeed like a golden city. Thanks a million times for your kindness and your love.
People they wonder, now waiting they make me define like this. They're asking me, waiting they make me to shine like this. They wanna know, waiting they make me to smile like this. People they wonder, waiting they make me to